Hi everyone. I was making an omelet the other day and got really frustrated with my pans, so I decided to do a comparison video on 3 different pans and which pan would make the best omelet. Now, all of these pans are great at some things, but fall short on others. I made these back to back so there aren't really any variables. I have another video where I go into full detail on how to make an omelet, and I'll link that video above. So the pans I'm comparing are 3 that I use pretty often. First is the 10-inch hexclad hybrid non-stick pan, which is about $180, and it's pricey. I like these pans and do use them a lot, but are they good for omelets? Next is my old cast iron. You can get something similar for around $30. This is a workhorse pan. It is the jack of all trades, and everybody should have at least one of these in their kitchen. Last is a 12-inch green pan, and this is about $30 also. I have these and use these in different sizes, but these, I don't recommend cooking things that require high heat with them. Now we can get to the omelet test. First up is the hexclad pan. I've seen other videos of people making omelets and they turn out nice, so let's give it a try. Start with the butter, move the eggs around a bit until it sets, and add the cheese. Now let's get it out of the pan, and it sticks. You can see the eggs get too hot and start to color in the center too. That's not what we're looking for. Now for the cast iron pan. This is an old cast iron that was gifted to me from my mom, and I know the seasoning is good on this, and here's a link to my seasoning video if you want to see the process. And again, the same steps. Start with the butter, move the eggs around until they set, add the cheese, and when we take it out of the pan, it sticks a bit, but it looks better than the hexclad pan. And the last is the green pan. And the same steps. Start with the butter, move the eggs around until they set, and add the cheese. Now let's take it out of the pan, and it comes right out without sticking. We can rub a little butter on top, and I like to finish my omelets with a little black olive sea salt. You can see how the eggs didn't stick at all. It's nice and smooth, it has the same color all the way across the egg. That's what you're looking for in a really good omelet. And there is definitely a clear winner here in the battle omelet, and it's the green pan. If you're a big egg lover, you should have at least one pan that is dedicated to only eggs. Thanks for watching my video on what is the best pan for an omelet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.